As you can probably tell, I love the study of success. And if you break it down, success requires you to do three things. The first is set a big goal. And I'm not talking an annual goal, I'm talking a 5 to 50-year goal. And the further out you get, the more massive your goals can get because you understand, well, it's going to take longer so I can achieve more. So set that big goal. And the second thing you want to do is understand the price you have to pay to achieve that goal. So your time, your energy, the money spent, whatever it is, you need to understand that up front, because if you don't understand it up front, when it gets there and it's time to pay, you are not going to do it unless you do the third thing, and that is the commitment. So have the goal, understand the price you're willing to pay, and then the commitment to do it. That's where that's where the tire hits the road. Without that commitment to do the hard stuff and everything that you set your mind to and that big massive vision that you have for your future, nothing really happens. So the word for this month, or probably even next year, as we're going through these interesting times in real estate, is commitment. Set your goals, understand what you're going to have to do to get there, the price you pay, and then commit to doing them, and the rest is easy. Paul Wheeler, Servant Heart Selling. Let's put the service back in selling.